Hi, I'm Seth Lewis from Lantern Home Inspections. I'm here to perform a sewer line camera inspection on property 342 Northwest Val Street, Hillsboro, Oregon 97124. The house faces north. We have a 4-inch cast iron cleanout protruding from the ground about 1.5 feet or 2 feet on the west side of the house near the patio. I have a slow trickle of water coming from the kitchen sink. I verified that this is indeed the sewer line by flushing the toilet. That was verified. I'm going to proceed with the sewer line inspection. Okay, it continues to be cast iron. Looks like there is some corrosion occurring around the surface of the pipe itself. At 9 feet 3 inches, we transition from 4-inch cast iron to 4-inch ABS. I'm going to move it down a little further. And then at 10 feet 8 inches, it looks like it transitions back to cast iron. This looks like a repair in the line here at one point. I'm going to pause the video for a moment so I can locate where I am right here at 10 feet. Okay, I'm going to resume. With the inspection. Looks like we're still maybe under the house a little bit here. So at 27 feet 11 inches, it looks like we've transitioned to a T in the pipe. Looks like concrete. I'm going to try to go one way. Continue down it. This pipe just keeps going, so it looks to me like maybe this is the main. So let me back the camera up here, going back to that T intersection. So again, at 28.5 feet, we're coming to a T in the line here at 28 feet. Kind of seems a little bit too short here. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and locate. All right, I'm going to resume. I just located, or possibly located, about 15 underneath the driveway, and so this isn't quite at the street level yet. I'm going to go ahead and retract the pipe or the camera and go through the 3-inch ABS on the roof. Alright, I'm now on the roof with a 3-inch ABS plumbing vent stack. I'm going to go through here and see where this takes me. So here's the kitchen sink. Water's still running and streaming down towards the city main. Okay, this is where we actually started filming from, that clean out area. Right there, right above us there is where the clean out is for this area. All right, so it's 60 feet 4 inches. I've confirmed now that it looks to me like this is a non-conforming line, meaning this is a concrete sewer line that is shared with the actual street and goes into the main sewer line somewhere. So I probably don't have enough of my cable to camera all the way through to the main on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and call this the city main at 60 feet 6 inches. I'm going to go ahead and retract the camera now and inspect backwards. There's a little bit of standing water right here, but it doesn't seem like an issue at this point. My camera's not being submerged and the water seems to be flowing properly downstream towards the main. This concludes the sewer scope inspection for this property. The cast iron does have corrosion occurring around the interior. I saw no evidence of any offset joints, cracks, root intrusions, or holes in the line. There are a few repairs of ABS, but everything looked like it was flowing downstream properly with no obstructions. This line is a pass. I might recommend consulting the city to see where the non-conforming line goes to, or if that is a non-conforming line underneath the property's front side. Thank you again for using Lantern Inspections.